Alright, let's look at the homework 4.2, problem number 2. Alright, so let's look at this problem. Alright, verify that functions satisfy the three hypotheses of Rolle's theorem. Alright, so let's check that. Number 1. Alright, looks like this is just a cubic function. This is a polynomial function, so it's actually continuous and differentiable everywhere. So number 1, f is definitely continuous on closed 0 to 4. Right, 2, f is definitely differentiable on open interval from 0 to 4. Right, so these are satisfied because f is a polynomial function, so it's actually continuous and differentiable everywhere. Right, third condition, we just need to compute f of 0, and f of 0 will be put 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, so it's going to be 5. And then you have to compare with f of 4. Alright, so you have, let's see, 4 cubed, so 16 times 4, 64. Right, and minus 4 squared would be 16. Minus 4 times 12 is 28. And plus 5. Right, so you can see that minus 16, negative 16, and negative 28, and oh, actually 48. I meant, sorry, it's 48. Gives you actually 64, so they actually cancel out. All right, so you just get 5 here. All right. So we know that now we verify that f of 0 is equal to f of 4. Alright, so we checked all three hypotheses of Rolle's theorem. Then we're going to find the c, such that the derivative at that point is going to be 0. So we take the derivative of this function, which is 3x squared minus 2x and minus 12, right? And derivative of 5 is 0, right? Then hopefully we can factor this out. Let's see, you have a 3x and x here. All right, so let's see, we need to get 12. So we can do 3 and 4, or 2 and 6, and actually might not work here, huh? So how about and 2 and 6, would that work? No, it doesn't work. So I'm gonna have to use the quadratic formula. So I'm going to set this guy equal to 0. Alright, so x is going to be equal to, alright, so it's going to be negative b, so it's 2, plus or minus square root of b squared, so it's going to be 4, minus 4 times a times c is negative 12, so it's going to be positive 12 here. Right, all over 2a, so 2 times 3 is 6. Right, so this is equal to, 2 plus or minus, this is going to be, this is actually kind of a big number, so it's going to be 12 times 12, so 144, plus 4, so 148. So what's 148? Square root of 148 is 7 and 4, 2, 3, and 14. So it's going to be 7. And I think that's it. Alright, so it's going to be 2. So here, so this is going to be 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 37 over 6. Alright, so you can cancel. It's everyone is multiple 2, so divide by 2, so it's 1 and 3. So we get 1 plus or minus square root of 37 over 3. Right? Then we are looking for C value between 0 and 4. So it's going to be, if it's minus, it's going to be negative. So it's got to be the positive one. Right? So let's type it in. Right? So this is going to be, it's going to be a fraction. 1 plus square root of 37 over 3. Alright, let's check the answer. Alright, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.